Welcome to your tutorial on how to navigate the bill pay in the Addition Financial digital banking experience. In this walkthrough, we'll be exploring all the features available for you to pay your bills. Bill pay allows you to manage all your payments in one centralized location, schedule several payments at once, modify payment amounts, adjust send and delivery dates, and choose the payment methods. To get to the bill pay, click on the Pay My Bills tab in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. The Pay Bills tab operates as the homepage of your bill pay. You will be able to pay all your bills on this tab. Under this tab, you will be able to view your billers in the All Billers section, sorted from A to Z, or group your billers in the My Groups view for an organized and efficient way towards making payments. Make groups such as first half and second half to manage your budget effortlessly, or set a default group for added simplicity when you click the Create New Group button. On the right side of the screen, you will see a column of cards. This side shows your activity summary with interactive color-coded tabs of bill due in the next 45 days, bills scheduled in the next 45 days, or bills paid in the past 30 days. Click on each tab to see the bills that fall under each category. Under Activity Summary, you may add new billers. In the Add New Billers search bar, type in the full name of the company that you wish to start sending payments to. Eligible billers include utility companies, credit card companies, insurers, telecoms, cable companies, service providers, and more. In the search results, click on the biller that you are looking for and enter the biller's zip code and account number with no spaces or dashes. We ask for your account number to securely connect to your biller. Your privacy is our top priority. We do not sell your information to third-party vendors. Once you are done entering the required information, click Add Biller. You may be asked to select the correct address for the biller from a list of addresses. Please check prior statements to confirm your biller's address to continue. You have now successfully added a new biller. If you are unable to find your biller in the search results, click Add Biller manually to enter the account details. You will have to provide the biller's name and address. Once you are done, click Add Biller to complete. You have now manually added a biller. You can now make a payment towards your biller, set up recurring payments, find this biller in Manage Billers, and link your e-bill. By linking your e-bill, you will see your bill amount due and date due. You may also add a new biller under the Manage Billers tab following the same steps. To make payments, stay in the Pay Bills tab. Find the biller you wish to pay and enter the amount. It will automatically use the default payment method you have selected in the Settings tab to make your payment. If you would like to view further payment options, click Payment Options on the upper right arrow in the Billers box. Here, you can input the amount, edit what payment method you would like to choose from, schedule the send date, the frequency of the payments to this biller, choose whether to be notified when payment is delivered, and any additional memos for your record keeping. Click Save and Continue when you are done. Within the Pay Bills tab, you can make payments to several billers at once. Once you are done inputting the amount on one or several, click the big blue Review button that appears. Here, you'll be able to review your payment before confirming. You may edit your payments in this page by clicking Edit Payment or continue to Pay Total on the right side of the screen where your payment summary will appear. Congratulations! You just made a payment. In the Activity tab, you will see a centralized view of all your linked bills, including the amount that is due, what has been paid, and what is scheduled. You have the option to view your activity between a list view or in calendar view. Use the search bar to find activity to specific billers. Get more specific by using the filters on the right side of the search bar by status, date, and category. In this tab, you will also see the activity summary and Add New Billers cards on the right side of the screen as in the Pay Bills tab. In the Manage Billers tab, you will see the full list of your billers. You may remove or add billers, edit biller information, view activity via biller, set default payment methods for each biller, and group billers. To view your grouped billers, select My Groups. In Manage Billers, you can also add a new biller on the right side of the screen, following the same steps in Pay Bills. Link your e-bill for each biller to see your amount due and due date. Search your bills and get more specific with filtered categories. In the Settings tab, you can choose your default payment method using your Addition Financial accounts and manage how you get notifications via email or text message. This payment method selected as default will be used for all existing billers and new billers by default. You can always change the default payment method for each biller from the View Edit Biller page. Thanks for watching.